Open up Hell's Gates, yeah, they waiting on me. Catching too many hating on me. Jazzy the flame, the world's brightest. Sparking the heat to the audience.
Right, so the next video is basically just it's gonna be a couple of tracks from Youngboy's the last Slimeto. I don't know how you say it, but I'm gonna listen to it, and that's what's important. I'm selecting 3 of my favorite songs from this album. I'm just gonna vibe to it. Y'all are just gonna tune in, and I'm just gonna vibe. It's gonna be lit. Stay calm under pressure. Yeah, it's a movement, guys. It really is. Trying to start something different. Hip hop, fitness. Later on, we will bring finance. Real estate. To all crazy. I just take it to the top. I just want everyone to take over their lives. I strive for individual power, independence. Yeah. Anyways, without further ado, let's start with
Split that bitch. Kick my shit. I'm with that shit. That got hella back. Big ass gang. Foreign book. My bitch got a big old ass. Laughing, but I'll shoot you in your sheet. Hello, bow, bow. Take her down, I'll turn up your lit beach. Hello, wow. I play with it, make her scrape. That's extra water on my beach. I got the money, I'm jigging, I'm bouncing, I'm booting. No nothing about no juggernaut. I got them youngins, them hitters, them killers. You know they gon' turn that shit up a notch. I got your horn, she bootin', I buy her booty. She taking my teeth spot. I put your bitch on the mission, she coming back with it. I buy Chanel. Bitch, I crash out with that Senate. They gon' call 12. Do the dash from them. Scott, we don't stop for nothing. Scott, hold on, scrap the ball. Scott, I'm a savage on these hoes. I don't wait for nothing. We'll drive out for the split them on the road. Kicking shit. I kick that bitch. I kick my shit. I'm with that shit. That got hella back. Big ass gang. Foreign book. My bitch got a big old ass.
yeah, the energy is pure today. Okay.
Do the best from them. Scott, we don't stop for nothing. Scott, hold on, scrap the ball. Scott, I'm a savage on these hoes. I don't wait for nothing. We'll drive out.
I'm having too much fun. I kick his shit. He'd be like, he's like on that Michael Jackson shit. He's like, he's taking Michael Jackson and taking his murder hip hop and DNA. Yes, sis.
For the split them on the road. Hold up. With that shit. I kick my stick.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's 1 out of 3. We're going to the next one. Let me just jump out of here. Oh, this one is short. That's how. Oh, fuck, but I don't know now. What do I do? Imagine there's 30 songs for me to choose from. Definitely Fuck the Industry and Top Sound. Okay, let's do Fuck the Industry. Panama convertible, still ain't looking like I'm rich. DL fish straight out stuff, still look like I'm out in trench. Fellin', I still deal with coke, still gon' sit them fucking hitters. Know I be on hella dope, still don't drink to find my rhythm. Yeah, pussy nigga can't still keep up with me. Yay!
Yeah, he been killing shit, but still can't fuck with me. Yeah, I got slides that bang that 5 and still gon' shoot for free. Can't control me, no, I'm on dope. I don't let shit go. I say no. I just bought a brand new Glock and it ain't come up out the stove. If a op try block me off, I shoot this bitch right on the road. I keep drugs inside my body and won't let them take my soul. Dope ass nigga look like he's selling dope, huh? Pills a toe and that nigga keep that pole, huh? Shake his swag, he act bad with these hoes, huh? Kill that nigga by that dissing bitch, they know now. He won't be just like his cousin Meech, a real fucking slime. He won't be just like that nigga Yeezy, he won't rose, huh? He just won't be real fucking shyster like his uncle, huh?
Okay, I need to calm down. I actually have a gym session later on, but you guys will see it anyways. Make sure you tune on to my Instagram. Don't forget, it's calm_under pressure. Please, guys, it's there, and TikTok page is there. Everything's, Guys, it's all there, man. You know where it is.
He just won't be real fucking icy like he sound a sign. He say he don't wanna be nobody, he wanna be the top. He say he don't give a fuck about it, just get him the guap. He say y'all can make an album about it, just don't fuck. Can't control me, no, I'm on dope. Probably fucking on your hoe. No, they can't control me, probably spit on that little hoe. Put me back in jail and I was still in there on dope. No, that we don't give no fuck, try to
Put me back in jail and I know I still was on dope. He still was on that dope. They put in jail and dope, came out of jail on dope. He's still a dope nigga. Aye, dope.
I'm on the road.
Dope, dope, dope. Conclusion, dope.
That my bro, who be out the window, Michael Mirror, no, I put it on. Gon' get killed if you don't kill me, and I know I made it known. I'ma flex on him, told the bitch don't call my phone. Sent the blitz on him, run him down like bounce, bounce, bounce. Don't give a fuck about who up here, we can shoot it down. Don't give a fuck about if you in here, you a part the crowd clown. You gon' die while you up in here, when that click make the sound. Probably catch me smoking loud, riding round. And I'm Panama convertible, still ain't looking like I'm rich. DL fish straight out the stuff, still look like I'm out in trench. Fellin' I still deal with coats, still gon' sit on fucking hitters. No, I be on hella dope, still on drink to find my rhythm.
Hey.
Pussy ass nigga still can't keep up with me. Yeah, he been killing shit but still can't fuck with me. Yeah, I got slapped that bang that 5 and still gon' shoot for free.
Can't control me. No, I'm a dope, dope, dope.
Can't control me. No, I'm on dope, dope, dope.
On to the next. Let's not waste your time. Let's go. Okay, I know. Swerving for sure. Let's go. I know.
We love you, Heavy.
Let me go fetch my vape for this one. Thank you for waiting.
Swerving on the E-way on the E is about 6. Chains across a nigga neck, it cost me a brick. Throw away the burner and you know I had to throw away my bitch. Cross that line, nigga, top gon' introduce you to some raw shit. New 3, I bought this, they don't know nothing about this. Tryna flash them, blast them, smash them, then go change my outfit. Goes mistakes, call they for magnum. I be on straight bullshit. Bullets fell like Ross, I let you have them. If you cross me, this a new take my nigga. I'm strapped up, they ain't check my denim. It go down straight up, we send them. Burn them, let out shots, I run them. So new million, don't be speaking. They be tryna find my bread, be tryna find out how I kill. Check my swag, it's like a demon, right? Swerving on the E-way on the E is about 6. With them demon baby, with the block outside my class. Trailing like some 9 lights. Get on list, start change your face. Shoot the scene like Morgan Chase. Tell him I be Youngboy, baby. Look, sliding on the push, turned up in my rear view. Think I hear big dump inside my ear, don't let them steal you. We been standing on shit throughout the year, they get killed too. Vacuum said that money dried up.
Comment, guys. What would you rate this one? Rate all of them, bro. Tell me what you guys think. To people that don't listen to Youngboy, are you listening to him now? Like, I want you guys to engage with their content. I want us to all be one. Let's all be one. Let's be one. Let's entertain each other. Let's have fun.
My tears too, little bro ain't even out of middle school, but on pills too. And he keep it to the VCU, he gon' get it true. Let a nigga try to talk about fighting, we gon' hit it true. Keep it even looking inside my ass, I'm on Jigaboo. Swerving on the E-way on the E is about 6. With them demon baby, with the block outside my crazy. Trailing like some 9 lights.
Okay, but my barber did something different over here, guys. Oh, Aish. Yeah. Hi. Damn it. Yeah.
Get on list, start change your face. Shoot the scene like Morgan Chase. Tell him I be Youngboy, baby. Beat him in that double, it come with daily credentials. Stick me full of lead, this pulse is the right you off if the bus. I got shit I put in order, they think they young in my lip. We go to Morgan Chase. Tell him I be Youngboy, baby.
Please, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell them about Come Under Pressure. Please tell them about K.U.P. Tell them about the K.U.P. The K.U.P. The come for the K.U.P. for the K, for the under, for the R, for the U, and the pressure. Come on, guys. K.U.P. How? Just tell them about K.U.P, guys. It doesn't hurt us for free. No one's gonna hurt you. How? K.U.P. Again, thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more content.